Ever had your stomach growl in a quiet room? Embarrassing, right? So, why does it happen? Those growls are actually a sign that your digestive muscles are at work. Even when your stomach's empty, these muscles keep contracting to move food, liquid and gas through your system. It's called peristalsis, and it happens constantly. But here's the funny part. When your stomach is empty, those sounds echo, making them louder. And when you're hungry, your brain sends signals to ramp up the contractions, hoping for food, which makes it growl even more. So next time your stomach grumbles, don't stress. It's just your body saying, "Hey, feed me."